say bell pepper? Bell pepper.
Hey, Mika, can you say Tucker? Can you say Tucker?
Or bell pepper.
Honey, she doesn't know how to say bell pepper. Mika.
But when she was 4 months, I've heard her say it.
But she said bell pepper. Mika, can you say Tucker?
Tucker.
Will you say Tucker?
Will you?
No, don't look for Tucker. Just say Tucker. She's not down there. Mika.
Patika.
Can you say Tucker? Can you say Tucker Cat?